To connect two four-season event barriers together, you will need to purchase a connector. Remove the bordering vertical pull from the event barrier and take off the corner connector set aside. Connect the vertical pull into the vertical slot opening on the connector using the spring buttons. Lay to the side. Open and lay flat the vertical pull pockets on the graphics that border each other. Connect the pockets to each other using the hook and loop strips, creating one pocket. Slide the connector with the vertical pull attached through the pull pocket. Connect the horizontal straight pulls into the connector using the spring button. Lift the center of the display and slide it over the small pull on the spike base. Repeat this for the other two spike bases. Connect the elastic bands to the clasp that is connected to the spike base. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the four-season event barrier connector.